How to use a vanilla Visa gift card on Temu. Open your web browser and go to the Temu website. Browse through the available items on Temu and select the ones you wish to purchase. Once you've chosen your items, add them to your shopping cart. Click on the shopping cart icon or navigate to the checkout page. Provide the necessary shipping information for your order. When you reach the payment section, choose Credit Debit Card as your payment method. Input the details from your vanilla Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter your billing information, ensuring it matches the details associated with the vanilla Visa gift card. Review your order, including the payment details, to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Place Order or equivalent button to complete your purchase. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully placed. It's important to note that the vanilla Visa gift card should have a sufficient balance to cover the cost of your purchase. If the card does not have enough funds, the transaction may be declined. That's how you can use a vanilla Visa gift card on Temu.